Logic and Binary here, back again at LB Dexter. We got T-Got to the side, and today we have a PlayStation HD camera. What is it for? What is it used for? I have no idea. Porn? No, that's not what it's for? Oh, my TV's in front of my bed. I just figured. Anyways, let's get to it. Unboxing, handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Let's go ahead and do this. I hate these stickers. They're not really easy to cut. They're at a horrible angle. It's just like you can cut a piece of it, but you can't cut it all. Comment below if you run into the same problem. You just wish you can just kind of like, but you can't, because okay, we gotta cut vertical. Damn it, I taped it back together. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Okay. Sorry, I will close the knife. Yeesh. Safety first. So, for any of you wondering, this is just a little small plastic piece. It's not connected to the box. They sell this on Amazon. I'm just kidding, I don't know. Anyways, HD camera for porn. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So, inside we have a cable and a camera. So we've got a little USB cable. I'm assuming this goes to the PS5 and your HD camera, which, it's my understanding this is supposed to mount on top of your TV in some sort of way, right? Some sort of fancy way. Oh. That is fancy. You just fancy. HD camera. Do we have any details on this? What does it cost? $59.99 on sale at Amazon right now. Arrives after Christmas, which is standard. But HD camera, low light, 1080p. Personalize your gameplay sharing. Wait, hold on. Just adding to your collection, T-Got. T-Got has a bookshelf full of warranties and instructions, and they're not all on him. Here we go. Gameplay. We have a 1080p HD capture, background. Oh, background removal tools. I like that. Built-in stand. Built-in stand. Look, it says right there. Built-in stand. That's what the flap is. So you put a joint on it, ladies and gentlemen. Sony PlayStation HD camera unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into my own personal home. We're gonna do some videos and we're gonna go ahead and launch those for you, gameplay videos at LB Dexter. Once again, Logic and Binary, T-Got to the side. This has been your PlayStation HD camera unboxing. Oh yeah, review to come.
Yeah, hey, we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.